School notion that everybody has to go to school to learn industry. Brandy.
They thought that
when you meet a kid with courage,
I feel like it happened for the better of me.
It sometimes gives you a new perspective on life.
The story starts way back when I was 3.
That's when Brandy Johnson was diagnosed with ovarian cancer. Doctors removed her right ovary.
When I think about my whole story, I'm thinking, I've been through a lot.
She stands proud on 2 feet that don't do what she wants them to do.
Like when I walk, it sounds like I'm marching because my feet, I can't lift my feet all the way heel toe like a regular person.
That's because 7 years after doctors removed the tumor, they found another one in her brain. The radiation left her bones weak and tender, but she won a second battle, which makes her a double cancer survivor before she had double digits in her age.
I've really been through a lot that, kids my age would have never even thought about.
While her peers are thinking about shopping and video games, Brandy explores life's meaning.
I do wonder sometimes why I still have to, why I've been through this. But then I realize all the things that I've done, it's helped. It's helped me, it's helped others.
At 16 years old, she's wise beyond her years. She has long-term effects from her radiation therapy, like hearing loss and balance, but she's gained something, too, an appreciation for life.
Surviving it twice, I can't take my life for granted because I never know. I might get cancer again, and that may be the end.
Michelle Michael, Heidelberg, Germany.